Hello. Let me start with a quick question. How many of you think walking is enough to stay healthy and fit? Walking is often seen as a nice, gentle activity, good for a break, good for clearing your head. But today I want to show you how walking can become something more, something powerful. But before we go further, I would like to just say my youngest son designed some shirts for the channel. If you would like to support the channel, there is a link in the description. And I'm still just getting started on here, so I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. It really helps the channel so I can make more videos to try to help people. Thank you. So what are we talking about? It's called Japanese interval walking, a method you can do in 30 minutes. It can transform your energy, heart health, brain function, and longevity. There's no equipment, no gym, just walking, but done intelligently. So let's go back to Japan for a moment. In the early 90s, researchers at Shinshu University, especially Dr. Hiroshi, were trying to solve a big problem. How can older adults stay healthy without relying on intense exercise, our machines, our expensive programs? Their answer was rather simple and elegant. Interval walking training. Instead of walking at the same pace, participants were asked to alternate, walk fast for a few minutes, then walk slow for a few minutes, and repeat this pattern. They tested this on hundreds of volunteers, many in their 60s, 70s, and 80s. And the results? Increased cardiovascular strength, lower blood pressure, improved balance and mobility, and even better brain function. It was a breakthrough, one that combined science, tradition, and common sense. So, how does it actually work? Well, here's the basic formula. You fast walk for 3 minutes, slow walk for 3 minutes, repeat this cycle 5 times. That gives you a 30-minute session. Okay, wait, not that fast. Now, fast walking doesn't mean sprinting. It just means walking briskly enough that you're slightly out of breath. You could still talk, but maybe not sing. Then during the slow period, you recover. This approach alternates stress and rest. It triggers adaptation in the body, but it's not overwhelming. In fitness terms, it's similar to HIIT, high intensity interval training, but low impact and sustainable. For most people, that's the secret sauce. So let's talk science for a minute. Why does this kind of walking work so well? Well, because it taps into 4 major physical responses. Improved oxygen efficiency when you alternate between effort and rest. Your heart and lungs adapt real quickly. Studies show that interval walking improves oxygen efficiency, your body's ability to use oxygen by as much as 13 to 15%. Glucose regulation. Interval walkers had 20% lower blood sugar levels compared to steady walkers. That's great news for people at risk of diabetes. Muscle fiber recruitment. Fast walking activates type 2 muscle fibers, the ones we lose as we age. This helps with balance, speed, and fall prevention. It also helps with mitochondrial health. Those little powerhouses inside our cells become more efficient, giving us more energy, even at rest. Think about that, just from walking in intervals. This method is especially powerful for adults over 40, 50, and even 70. And it's backed by over 20 years of Japanese research. In 2009, the Mayo Clinic replicated the study findings, and in 2024, a study confirmed the same findings again at the University of Copenhagen. Now let's go beyond the numbers. Japanese interval walking offers benefits that go far beyond just fitness. They boost your brain. Walking improves circulation to the brain, but intervals actually increase neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections. People report sharper memory, quicker thinking, and even reduced anxiety. Better sleep. Participants often sleep deeper and longer. Why? because moderate bursts of effort followed by calm periods balance your nervous system, your mental health. Brisk walking releases endorphins, your brain's natural feel-good chemicals. Just one 30-minute walk can lift mood for hours. Your balance and stability. Older adults who practice this method reduce risk of falling by over 50%, and many could walk upstairs again without feeling winded. Let's make this practical. Here's how you can start your own interval walking routine. Step 1, warm up. Start with a 3 to 5 minute easy walk just to get your blood flowing. Then step 2, walk fast for 3 minutes. Then walk slow for 3 minutes. Then you repeat this 5 times to get your 30 minutes, and then you cool down. End with another 3 to 5 minutes of relaxed walking. Set a timer or download an interval timer app. Listen to music or a podcast to make it fun. Start with 2 to 3 sessions per week and build up to 5. Consistency, not intensity, is what brings the results. So let me share a few quick stories from the study in Japan. In Nagano, a local program enrolled 700 residents in an interval walking group. After just a few months, 90% reported more energy, 75% had lower blood pressure, and many stopped needing medication for lifestyle diseases. One woman, age 74, said, and I quote, "I feel like I've gotten my youth back. I don't need help carrying groceries anymore." Another man in his 60s said, "I never liked exercise, but walking with intervals, that I can do. And I actually enjoy it." It's not just for seniors. Even busy professionals in Tokyo now use interval walking during lunch breaks. It's spreading because it works. So let's go over a few common questions. What if I can't do 3-minute fast intervals? Well, start smaller. Try 1 to 2 minutes and gradually increase. What pace is fast for walking? Aim for a pace where talking feels a little difficult, but you're not gasping for air. That's usually around 100 to 120 steps per minute. Can I do it indoors? Absolutely. You can do it in a hallway, at the mall, or on a treadmill, anywhere with space to walk. Is this for people over 60 only? No, not at all. People of all ages can benefit. The younger you start, the longer the benefits last. This method is more than just a workout. It's a lifestyle. It fits into your day. It doesn't demand a gym or complicated equipment. And most importantly, it's sustainable. You don't have to work out. You just have to walk with a purpose. This could be part of your morning routine, your lunch break, or even when you're winding down in the evening. Consistency is where the transformation happens. So let's wrap it all up. Japanese interval walking offers a way to boost your cardiovascular health, improve brain clarity, build strength and stability, reduce your stress and fat, and support long-term health and independence, all with just 30 minutes a day workout. It's easy, it's effective, and it works at any age. So let me leave you with this simple formula. 3 minutes fast, 3 minutes slow. Repeat 5 times, do it 4 to 5 times a week. You don't have to walk faster than anyone else, just smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get moving and live longer, stronger, and let's get healthy together. Thank you.